Hi everybody, this is Javier coming at you with a very quick video tutorial in regards to the PDFs I've attached, which are the flyers that I'm showing you here on the screen right now. The first one up is our most popular one, which is the Referral Incentive Program. That's industry neutral. Doesn't matter what it is that you sell, whether it be real estate, mortgages, life insurance, or anything else like that. This is ideal for you to reach back to existing clients and let them know that you would like to offer them the opportunity to earn a 6-day, 5-night stay in Cancun by simply then providing you with 3 to 5 referrals. Again, it's very industry neutral, and this is the one that has generated literally tens of thousands of dollars in commissions for our agents in multiple industries within just the last 60 days. Now, you'll also notice that all of the flyers have the Powered by Book VIP disclaimer on the lower right-hand corner. Keep your name out of the flyer. Keep your company name out of the flyer. You don't want to run into any compliance type of issues. And there's even a disclaimer at the bottom where it sends them to a website, which is vacationtermsandconditions.com, where they can visit for full terms and conditions. But we actually go one step further and put that on the flyer so that I can help you present it to them and just let them know that, look, listen, this is a 5-star called the Mayan Palace Resort. And what's so nice about it is that it even has its own, it's the only resort in all of Mexico that has its own Cirque du Soleil type of theater and production, and all they are responsible for is their transportation to and from the resort and taxes of $19.70 a night. Cancun Resort, there is a $10 a night resort fee, which is nothing when you consider the fact that the actual retail value is almost $1,500. And that's for this one right here, which is the one that you should definitely leverage to the max by, again, reaching out to existing clients. Then we have the one for realtors, which is the Welcome to Our Open House flyer. And the way this works is quite simple. You go ahead and have people come into the open house, and instead of them just signing into a generic register or a guest register where they put bogus information most of the time, have this printed out in full color and have it standing in one of those signed placards, if you would, that's just literally acrylic standing up, and let them know, welcome to our open house. Just wanted to let you know that we are going to be holding a raffle at the end of the open house for 6 days and 5 nights in Cancun. And we are going to be awarding this today at the end of the open house. And so now you just simply collect their personal information, which is their name, their email address, and their cell phone number, and let them know that the winner will be notified that night via text and email address as well. And now you're going to start collecting tons and tons of buyers leads immediately because of the fact that they're, of course, going to want to win the actual raffle. And then here's the best part. At the end of the day, whether you collect 5, 10, or 50, guess what? They all win. And so you're going to build great rapport when you call them and text them to notify them that they have won the raffle. And you just simply go home and issue them the actual certificate as well. And you'll just need to verify their contact information or email address to make sure that you have the correct one. Now, this is a generic raffle sign. In the flyer, just simply lets know that there's a 6-day, 5-night stay in Cancun. Again, the same disclaimers are at the bottom of it. And the best part about this is that you don't have to hold a raffle. You can just simply go ahead and let them know that the raffle is coming. And then you simply turn around and say, tell you what, if you really, really want this, let's not take a chance. And I can just go ahead and see to it that you win one. And immediately your stock goes up. They are happier. And of course, you have that many more qualified leads. Because remember, every single certificate you issue stays in your back office. And so you're going to have this long master list of email addresses. You can always hit back and hit them up later down the road. And then here's one of my favorite ones as well, which is the what we call VIP client flyer. And this flyer is just simply something you show somebody and let them know that what we wanted to do is reach out to you because you are a valued client and just wanted to say thank you for remaining a client. Now, this is ideal when you are in the type of business that has renewals like insurance and so on, because you want to make sure that you keep your persistency rate high and you keep them on the books. And so therefore, you just simply let them know that, look, listen, no catch. I just wanted to say thank you. And we usually have a raffle for this particular vacation, but because you're such a high value client of ours, we just simply decided to give it away to you. Very simple, but very powerful. And again, I just want to make sure you understand how all these work. Visit the actual vacation terms and conditions so you can kind of see how it works. And my best suggestion to you is to go ahead and redeem a flyer or a certificate for yourself so you can go ahead and go through the emotions of what it's like to go to these places. It's really, really cool. Any questions, hit me up. Just text me, call me, or simply email me by replying to this email as well. Thank you.